Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A special welcome back to Cook and Share. I love weekend breakfasts and I love eggs, salsa, and I decided to put this together, baked eggs with salsa. Incredibly delicious. You're gonna love it. Let me walk you through it and let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to kick things off here with my cast iron pan, and I'm just going to spray this with some oil. Add in a cup of salsa. I'm just using mild here, but you can use the medium or hot, whatever you like. Salsa, salsa, I love salsa. So many good things have come out of Mexico. And I'm just going to kind of spread this around. Next up, I'm going to press these down just to make a shallow well or hollow. I'm stuck in a shallow well. Something like this. You don't want them too close together, just enough so it separates the eggs. Crack an egg in. Let's get cracking. Now I'm going to season this up with some salt. And of course, what else? Go around black pepper. Now you can use the seasoning of your choice. You can use paprika, garlic, whatever you like. I'm just keeping it simple, giving you the basics here. Then a quarter cup of sliced green onions, which is kind of equivalent to about a stalk. Okay, let's go ahead and slip these into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, preheated oven for about 10 minutes, just until the eggs are set. After about 10 minutes, the eggs are nicely set, so I'm going to pull it out of the oven and spread some cheese over the top. Now, I'm using an old sharp cheddar here, but you can use the cheese of your choice. And there you have it, guys, our baked eggs with salsa. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's dig in and give this a taste test. Just look at this. Get some salsa on there. Guys, this is heavenly. The cheese, the salsa, the egg, just everything blends together so well. So yummy. Of course, for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool breakfast stuff over there, cool stuff in general. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.